Reflexology is a unique modality that involves applying pressure to the feet, hands, outer ears to promote healing, wellness, and balance. These areas, which are jam-packed with nerve bundles, can be stimulated or reflexed to send nervous system and nervous response to the brain and other parts of the body. Reflexology uses reflexes, that is pressure points, in the hands and feet, the location of which largely resemble the shape of the human body, which may include benefits such as stress reduction, pain relief, improved circulation, enhanced sleep quality, balance, energy flow. So in Chellaram Ultra Wellness Clinic, we give this unique service under the guidance of expert therapists.